Today, I want to talk about something that will definitely get your attention: how to make your ex miss you deeply, even if they were the one who left you. This topic hits hard, especially if you're in a situation where it feels like there's still something unfinished after the breakup. But before we go deeper, there's one important thing you need to understand first. If your ex has truly moved on and has no feelings left at all, honestly, there's not much you can do to bring them back. You can't force someone to feel something again. But if there's still even a small feeling left, or at least some curiosity, there are strategies you can use to put yourself in the best possible position. Point 1, let go first. The first and most important step, you need to truly let them go. Why? Because if deep down you're still desperate, still hoping they'll come back, they can feel that energy, and that will push them even further away. Simple examples: accidentally calling them, sending messages because you can't hold it anymore, liking their posts, watching all their stories. These small actions send a clear signal you're still thinking about them. And from their perspective, that's not attractive. It actually makes them more confident that leaving you was the right decision. So the first step is not pretending to move on, but actually letting go. Point 2, when you let go, everything changes. When you truly let go, they start thinking, why isn't he chasing me anymore? Why does he seem fine without me? This is where things start to shift. You suddenly appear stronger, more independent, more mature, and just like that, you become more attractive. There's a simple truth. People only realize the value of something when it's gone, and that's exactly what starts happening here. They begin to feel the loss. They start questioning their decision. Point 3, time and healing. Now let's talk about something most people underestimate: time. Moving on is a process. It's not instant. If you still feel pain, that's normal, especially if the relationship was long or emotionally deep. Don't be too hard on yourself. Allow yourself to feel sad, angry, disappointed. That's part of healing. Point 4, self-reflection. If you feel stuck, ask yourself, do I really miss them? Or do I miss how they made me feel? Sometimes what we miss isn't the person, but the comfort, the routine, or the idea of what the relationship could have been. This realization is powerful. Point 5, rebuild your life. Start rebuilding your life. Try learning something new, focusing on your career, starting a new hobby, working out, developing new skills. It might sound cliche, but it works. The more you grow, the more fulfilled your life becomes. And without realizing it, you become more attractive. Even in your ex's eyes, they'll start thinking, wow, he's changed. What did I lose? Point 6, your strongest position. At some point, you'll reach this phase. You no longer care that much whether they come back or not. And this is your strongest position. You can say, if they come back, great. If not, I'm still good. That's real power. Point 7, don't fake it. But remember, don't pretend to move on just to get them back. You need to go through this process for yourself, because a healthy relationship comes from someone who is already whole, not someone who feels empty and needs to be completed. In the end, there are only two outcomes. They come back, but now you're stronger and you can choose wisely. They don't come back, but you've built a better life and you're ready for someone better. Either way, you win. I know this isn't easy. Moving on is hard, but trust me, every step you take brings you closer to real happiness. Don't be afraid to let go, because sometimes letting go is exactly what opens the door to something better. Thank you, and I hope this helps.